Okay, and welcome to another edition of Within the Pixels. My name is Bert Blevins. Today we're going to be talking about least privilege. Okay, what that means is logging in with the lowest amount of privilege you need to be able to do your work. So this is the accounts for the principle of least privilege. So let's get into it. So what this is going to be is giving users access to what they need to do their daily job and nothing more. So think of it as just granting access based upon necessity. And so what this entails is it gives you the comfort, the admin, the comfort, the knowing that users aren't logged in all day as an administrator. And if something happened, whether they clicked on a bad link or they were a victim of some type of phishing attack or whatever the case may be, that account that got compromised is not necessarily going to carry forward and have all the standing privileges that are from an admin perspective to install bad actor types of software. So what that means is we're trying to get accounts to not be running as full admin accounts. This is going to, again, thwart those types of lateral movements within the environment, the bad actor types of software being installed and so forth. I really kind of position this back into, think of it back in the day, we saw, people or very important people that have big sets of keys, okay? On these sets of keys, they're keys to the individual rooms, but a lot of times the person who is the key master, if you will, has the master key, and that is pretty much the metaphorical equivalent to having admin godlike rights to the environment. So basically, anything that happens, that account can then can do whatever it needs to with that particular with the privileges that it has. So what we're trying to do here again is to follow the principle of least privilege, okay, giving users the ability, if needed, to step up privilege as they need to. So they may need to install software, run something on a server, and so forth. So what we can do there is what we call step up privilege. So they come in, least amount of privilege, step up the privilege, and then when they're all done with it, we expire that privilege. So no standing privilege. This is one of the ways where we can really get into locking down an environment and putting some governance around this and having a strategy in place to basically thwart bad actors, whether they are hackers or inside types of equivalents, making sure that the integrity of your environment is in place. So that is what I have for today, and thank you for watching.